Good morning, students. So, since the last two classes, we are discussing about nouns and its various categories. And from this discussion, we have got to know that there are four kinds of nouns, which are abstract noun, common noun, proper noun, and collective noun. And in the previous session, I told you about abstract noun and collective noun. And in that session, you got to know that an abstract noun signifies the name of qualities, feelings, or ideas which cannot be touched or seen. And a collective noun signifies the names of collections of persons, things, and animals. So, with this, here comes an end to our categories of nouns. But besides these categories, there can be few more types of nouns about which we are going to make a discussion today. So, these categories of nouns are countable noun and uncountable noun. And in order to know the meanings of these nouns, first of all, please let us have a look at the examples I have mentioned here. So, number one is I have two new dresses. Next, your book is on the table. Number three, give me a dozen of eggs. So, if you notice the sentences, you can find that here I have highlighted a few words. In the first sentence, that I have two new dresses, I have highlighted the words two and dresses. In number B, that is your book is on the table, here the highlighted word is book. And in number C, gave me a dozen of eggs, here the highlighted words are dozen of eggs. So these highlighted words, that are two dresses, book, and a dozen of eggs. So can you count these highlighted words? Yes, we can easily count two dresses, a book, and a dozen of eggs. So these things signifies our next category of noun, that is countable noun. Therefore, a countable noun refers to the nouns which can be counted. Means in the sentences where there will be mention of few names, and these names of things or places of persons that you can count will be your countable noun. Now let's come to the next category, that is uncountable noun. And in order to know this, please go through the example. So the first example is fetch me a glass of water. Number 2, sugar is sweet. So here again I have highlighted few words. In the first example, fetch me a glass of water, here I have highlighted water. And in the next example, sugar is sweet, here I have highlighted the word sugar. So the words water and sugar, can you count them? No, you can never count water or sugar. Yes, you can weight them, but counting is not possible in terms of these words. So these are our next category of noun, that is uncountable noun. Therefore, an uncountable noun refers to the nouns which we cannot count. So whenever there will be names of persons, places, animals of things in the sentences which we cannot count will be our uncountable noun. So students, I hope that you have well understood the countable and uncountable noun, and with it here comes our ending on nouns. So in the next class we will discuss about a new topic, and here comes your home assignments for today's session. So students, please note down the questions and send me your answers in the mail ID that I have mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much.